In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your tasks by using Microsoft To Do or Planner with the help of Copilot in about 2 minutes. Whether you're juggling personal projects, work deadlines, or just trying to keep your day-to-day life on track, these tools can be incredibly helpful. Let's dive right in and streamline your workflow. First, begin by opening Microsoft To Do or Planner. These applications are both user-friendly and powerful for task management, allowing you to handle everything from small reminders to complex project timelines. By integrating Copilot, you gain an assistant that will make this process even smoother. As you start, make sure you're logged in to your Microsoft account so you can access all features fully. Now it's time to input your list of tasks. Think about everything you've got on your plate, from the smallest to the most pressing tasks. Click on the Add a Task button, which is typically displayed prominently on the interface. Here, you can enter each task with as much or as little detail as you like. Be sure to include any relevant deadlines, as this information will be crucial when prioritizing later on. Once your tasks are neatly listed, bring in Copilot. This is your digital assistant within these Microsoft tools designed to help you work smarter. Here's where the magic happens. Ask Copilot to prioritize these tasks based on their deadlines and the perceived importance. This step is the backbone of effective task management. Copilot leverages AI to sort through your list, proposing an order that makes logical sense, tailor-made to help you focus on what truly needs your attention first. Take a moment to carefully review the suggested priorities Copilot provides. While Copilot's suggestions are highly informed, it's important to trust your own insights as well. Look at the reordered list and consider your upcoming week. Are there any tasks that might have fluctuating importance due to changes at work or home? Adjust these priorities as necessary, tweaking timelines and swapping task orders to reflect any unique conditions or personal insights you might have. This interaction ensures that while technology aids you, your unique context stays at the forefront. And that's it. By the end of this process, you should have a well-organized task list that aligns perfectly with your goals and responsibilities. With tasks meticulously prioritized and deadlines clearly identified, you'll find yourself navigating through your commitments with ease and efficiency. Thanks for watching, and I hope these steps help transform how you manage your tasks, leading you to greater productivity with less stress. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and stay tuned for additional ways to enhance your productivity using Microsoft tools and beyond. Until next time, keep achieving those goals with confidence.